250 grams of sweet corn, 250 milliliters of fresh cream. Blend in a blender and set aside. 300 grams of cooked chicken. You can use leftovers from the day before. Add 100 grams of green olives. Add 1 chopped onion. Add fresh coriander. 250 grams of light mayonnaise. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add chili flakes. Mix well and set aside. Slices of bread with the crust removed. Place the bread as the first layer, 3 slices per layer. Add a layer of the chicken and mayonnaise mixture. Another layer of bread. Continue until you finish the chicken mixture. Cover with the blended sweet corn and cream from the beginning of the video. Sprinkle with grated Parmesan. Refrigerate for a few hours. Enjoy! All chefs need a good knife, and so do you at home. I'm very happy to recommend these amazing Japanese knives. They are knives that renowned top chefs recommend and use, and they come with a lifetime warranty and free worldwide shipping.